Hola mi gente, my name's Aarón Sánchez. I'm a dad, I'm a chef, I'm a tastemaker, storyteller. Right now I'm in love with Williams Sonoma and putting forward this beautiful line of marinades, sauces, and spice mixtures that I think are gonna bring the flavors of Mexico and Latin America to your home. The way that these products reflect how I look at Mexican food, it's paying homage by being able to take some of these simple ingredients that I grew up with, but maybe took for granted. As you get older as a chef, you start to take an inventory of all of the flavors that you really love, that speak to you. That was very much the genesis behind the line, that was the idea of being able to say, cool, I found my culinary voice, now I want to share it and I want to scream it loud. My goal with this beautiful line at Williams Sonoma is that people walk away and they've been transported to Mexico. I hope they cook without fear, unabated. I think people are gonna love the idea that you can go to Williams Sonoma, take one of our sauce marinade spice mixtures, and then make it your own. Now we're just building layers of flavors, guys. Whether you're finishing a beautiful steak, whether you're tossing it with vegetables, chicken, all these wonderful things, I'm just giving you some tools. And now it's your opportunity to create. And I encourage everyone to chase flavor, to chase that experience. And that's what we're providing for you at Williams Sonoma.